Hi, Tubes. Yeah, it's engine night here, and little dirt bikes here.
Hey, Tubes.
And I've been needing brakes on the front of this Tacoma for. I bought the brakes 2 years ago and thought I needed them then, but I didn't. But now my pedal's getting real low, and little dirt bike said he'd put them on for me. It's a pretty simple job, but I also need rotors, so I thought I'd film it that way. Those guys that don't know how to take these brakes off can see how easy it is. All right, I'm gonna try to stay out of your way, buddy.
All right, buddy.
We're close. We park close to the fence, so I don't have much room for filming, but I'll try to do the best I can. Go ahead. All right, I'll let him narrate, but stuff like this I'll narrate. Right now he's taking the little hubcap off so he can get the lugs off. He'll zip them right off. Look at him. I think he used to work for NASCAR.
I think we forgot to turn the compressor on, buddy.
I think the compressor's on. Try that knob. You got the knob, half in, half out.
Oh, man.
No, not the knob. The knob. There you go.
Oh, man.
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm used to good tools.
You gotta be smarter than your tools.
I'm not used to using Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight my ass.
Chicago Power.
Chicago Pneumatic. Kids. Look at that. Look at that.
6 lug.
No, it's just been on there for a while. Use your foot. There you go. There you go. Look at him. Ay, ay, ay. I'll be right back. Got to order a front fender. All right, let me get over here so you can explain what you're doing, buddy.
All right. Well, I guess the first thing we'll do is we'll change out the brakes.
All right.
So that way, if that's all you need to do, you'll know how to do that.
Right. That's most of the time you don't need to change your rotors, but my rotors are warped.
Yeah, so we got this little spring here that holds the retaining pins in. So first, we're going to try and pop that spring out.
There you go. Yeah, you just pull the tails out, and the front comes out, just like that.
Now, got to get these pins out. I think we're going to have to switch sides, buddy.
All right. Wait. Yeah, okay. All right, I'll film this from the back side so I'm not in his way. Whoa.
Watch your eyes.
Yeah. I usually take the top one out first. There you go. You know, I put anti-seize, never seize on this last time I put them on. It's been such a long time, a lot of it wore off.
Yeah.
But
all right.
that's it. Now what you do is, what he's going to do is, he's going to squeeze them brakes with that big wrench. What he's actually doing now is pushing the pistons back in. He's going to do one side at a time, and then he's probably going to hold one side in place with a screwdriver and then squeeze the other side in. Because if you don't have a screwdriver in there, then when you squeeze one side, the other side comes back out. There you go. Matter of fact, I'll hold that for you, buddy.
Got it, buddy?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You just push them back in as far as they go. The further in you go, the more room you have to play. Looks like he has it.
Got it, buddy.
Okay, let me see. Put the light on, but that don't help much. I was in my own light. All right, he's got the new ones already. Now all you do is pull them out. Got my money's worth out of them, huh, buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
And you stick the new ones in. There is a certain, we gotta make sure you...
Yeah, it depends on the pads. On our particular pads, they have this wear indicator on this little thing down here. And as you can see, the old pads didn't have that.
Right.
So as a result, with the new ones, you have to put the one with that on the inside. Otherwise, it runs into the rotor.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, he's ready to put the pins in, but he's gonna have to clean them and then put new anti-seize on them. All right, he just finished putting some anti-seize on there. Now he's gonna put his spring in. Just gotta play around a little bit and find a hole. There you go. Put the bottom spring in. Alright. Now you just got to put the top pin in. It's tough to grab that thing with all that slop on it. You got that anti-seize on there. There you go. If you're close enough to tap it, it'll find the hole, will find its way in. Now he's got that little pick. Got to make sure you can line his holes up. Are they lined up? You never do nothing?
Yeah, buddy.
Huh.
This ain't my first rodeo.
And then you slide that middle piece in and your spring is there. Good to go.
To it.
Yeah. All right. Now, since if we didn't have to do the rotors, your brakes would be done. You just go in there and pump them up. But I need rotors, so let's clean this area up and we'll put rotors on.
Sounds good, buddy.
All right. He's all ready to take the caliper off. Let me forewarn you, buddy. I put them bolts on when I was a lot younger.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you might need a pipe or something.
All right. Good to know.
Yeah. You made that look easy. All right, I'll turn you guys back on after he takes both of them off there. Oh, listen to it, listen to it. Yeah, there's two 17 millimeters back there, buddy.
Yep.
Yeah. I hold that on, so I'll let him undo that, and I'll turn you back on when he's ready to pull the caliper off. All right, I think he's just about got that off, that second bolt. He's got a can over there with a piece of wood on it. What he's going to do is slide that under there just to support the weight of the caliper, so it doesn't break that hose. If you break that hose, you get yourself another job. And then the rotor just pulls right off. Or it should anyway.
In theory.
Hit it with a hammer, buddy.
All right.
You don't have to worry about damaging it. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's been on there pretty long. Alright, now he's going to get the new one. Alright, he's putting some anti-seize on there. There was some on before. Imagine if wasn't any there, buddy. That'd be frozen solid on there.
Good.
Yeah. I think he's going to put a little bit on each one of them bolts too, so as I can get my tires off. Alright, when he's done with that, we'll show you putting it on. Right, here comes a new rotor. I don't know if you guys are noticing, but he's holding it by the round part, trying not to touch the other part. If you do touch that part, just clean it off, and you guys will be all right. But if you don't touch it, you don't have to clean it. Right, buddy?
That's right.
Now he's putting little anti-seize on a 7mm bolts that hold the caliper on. Alright, we'll show you that when he's done. Alright, he's cranking up on him, just about done. Get the big breaker bar up, there you go. ready for the wheel. Just gotta put the wheel on. All right, now what you gotta do is you gotta come up here under the hood and make sure you got fluid. And it looks like we got more than enough. It's supposed to be between here and between here, and we're above it, so we're good. I close her up, bud. Let's take it for a ride.
All right, buddy.
All right, we just took it for a test ride, and seems to be stopping pretty good. All right, thanks a lot, buddy.
All right, no problem,
All right.
buddy.